Hi, I'm Anjali Khanna Tripathi and I passed out from St. Mark's Senior Secondary School, Janakpuri in 1989. I fondly remember those days and our teachers. What fun we had! I went on to do my Bachelor in Science from Maitri College, Chanakyapuri, and then I did my post-diploma in Computer Applications from True Women Training Center in Wazirpur Industrial Area. Though the course equipped me for the IT field, but my destiny wanted me to take me somewhere else. And by that time also I had got married and I was in the family way, so I took a break for a couple of years. And then I joined LG Electronics as a marketing professional. LG Electronics at that point of time was just establishing its brand in India. And I received the award for highest sales in the direct sales category in 1998. In the year 2000, I joined Bhushan Steel Limited, but in procurement, and that's when I realized that this was my forte. Bhushan Steel at that point of time had only one woman, that too at front desk, and around about 4,000 men. So it was actually a challenging task for me to survive and succeed. But I did both and went on to work in Bhushan Steel for a period of 8 years. Here I got trained and became an auditor for ISO TS 14969, and it was here that I learned the importance of procurement, because this is one department which adds to the bottom line of a company. A 5% reduction in a recurring spare in a company can add to the profit. So as a procurement professional, it is your job to ensure that the costs are on the downward trend always. And procurement is one function which is required in all companies, whether they are a manufacturing unit or a service provider. In the year 2005, I got a lucky break with the Bennett and Coleman Group. This group only takes MBAs and CAs in their procurement division, and I was indeed lucky to be selected in their company. I joined Moser-Baer in 2009. Moser-Baer as a company believed in rotating their manpower in order to expose them to all the faculties and also in turn gearing them up for top management level. So I initially joined the supply chain team in procurement, and after a span of 4 years of heading the thin film plant procurement division, I was shifted to marketing, and I was in the bidding team there, which was catering to solar tenders pan-India. During my tenure in Moser-Baer, I gathered a lot of accolades too. Working with Moser-Baer exposed me to various functions like corporate communications, anti-harassment cell, and corporate social responsibilities. And the exposure actually helped in sharpening my multitasking and time management skills. In 2016, I joined Burda Group India Private Limited, part of Howard Burda Media Group, a 100-year-old German multinational with a 4 billion euro turnover and 12,000 employees and 300 publications to fame. Few of them are Harper's Bazaar, LA, Architecture for Design, Travel and Leisure, Discover India, Marie Claire, Kitchen, Bathroom and Bedroom, and the scandalous magazine Playboy. In India, however, they are into printing of textbooks, the CBSE textbooks that you guys read. So we were printing textbooks for Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Himachal and Haryana. And here I was heading both procurement and stores and a team of around about 12 people. And it was quite a switchover from being a procurement and marketing professional to handling stores and purchase both. After spending 2 years in this organization, I realized that my calling was elsewhere, and I hung up my working shoes and finally dived into my favorite field, occult. Occult had always fascinated me, and I used to wonder, how is that planets can govern our life, and how our name numerology can impact us, or how the energy of a house can inform us or tell us that what area needs to be redefined, or how come a set of cards could give us answers to our future. So then I learned the art of divination like astrology, tarot, pendulum dowsing, and also numerology, Vastu, crystal therapy and sound healing. I am also a certified Reiki Grandmaster and a certified Master Hypnotist from California Institute of Hypnosis. I then started up my own holistic brand, Harmonize Me, and have been organizing online classes on holistic healing like balancing your chakras, attracting harmonious relationships, crystal therapy. We are also into training of people on numerology, Vastu, tarot, Reiki, sound healing, and I also take sessions on tarot reading and astrological consultations. So those of you who are interested in taking up a career in supply chain, there are plethora of courses available. And those of you who have any query, do get in touch with me. I can guide you for all of them.